Hello, my friends. This is the BMW K1200RS, the first one. Back in 1996, it came in a pale yellow checkerboard scheme. Later, it came in a different checkerboard scheme, but we'll get into that. See? Different. Different. See the difference? Old, new, older, newer. That's the newer one. We're talking about the older one here. The first ones, which were offered in a pale yellow taxi scheme, dolphin blue metallic, red, or of course, classic black. Looks a little different without the clothes on it, eh? And you could even get luggage for these. I'd like to get into a whole bit about these from when they were brand new, being uncrated, to set up for delivery to the customer when they were new, and how these fared years on down the road. And working for myself in my own shop, I had plenty of these come through. So there's a lot to talk about on these. And one of the first recalls on these machines involved the cooling fan. If you know something about that, great. If you don't, those are the things I'm going to get into in this series. Not done with the R1100S yet either, but we're going to take a little break from the S to satisfy the K crowd. I'm having huge demands for K-bike material, and I'd like to go way back to the early K-bikes, but I'm going to be starting with this K1200RS series if we get enough support, because these go on to much later on. These bikes soldiered on for quite a while, and they came in other color schemes. So if you want to take a ride with me, come on down to the comments here and let me know if you're interested. And if I have enough support here in the next few weeks, I will get rolling along with this K1200RS series. This takes a lot of my time. I have over 100 hours invested in the series on the R1100S already. And as I said, that series is not yet complete. K1200RS was a great bike. It's fairly reliable. It's got a few more quirks than the earlier K bikes because of some updated things from BMW, like the hydraulic clutch. We can get into those sorts of things when I get rolling along with the series. So if this is something you are interested in, please throw me a comment down below. Or better yet, if you're of the means, come on over to Patreon, because once I get another 30 patrons here on my Patreon channel, I'll reach my goal of being able to proceed with this K1200RS series. I don't require a whole lot of money here to become a patron over on Patreon. It's it's kind of up to you. Whatever you can afford, I greatly appreciate. All these proceeds go to creating more video. If you'd rather make a one-time donation through PayPal, that is certainly appreciated as well. You can do that through nhbmwshop@gmail.com. And as I said, those are greatly appreciated. Your support helps create video. Thank you very much, my friends. You'll see me again soon. Take care and happy holiday weekend.